Morning everyone, here's a short clip on how we've dealt with our table. As I may have mentioned in a previous video, I'm using these seats from a minibus mounted on a small length of the unwinds track that was originally in this van. And I haven't denied about where to mount a table. That's why I kept these bolt holes accessible, because I was toying with putting a rail on there and having the table out to approximately where the kitchen worktop will eventually be. But it would have got in the way of the access to the bed if we wanted to keep the table up during the day. So I decided to see what was available in Screwfix, and I bought these drawer slides. These are 550mm long, soft close drawer slides, and I built a couple of tables into this lower bulkhead that supports the bed. I decided to do it in two separate pieces because it allows me then to have the one on the left extended, but we still got access to the bed. And we can also manoeuvre around here because the sink will be over in this corner, and it will give Karen, because Karen will sleep on that side of the bed, it will give Karen effectively a bedside table as well. And these extending rails, £10 a pair, worked out virtually no dearer to do than buying a leg and a sliding rail for the table over there. I've reused a bit of pine. It was actually the base to the wardrobe that I bought on eBay, which provided that door for the shower room, and the other door to the wardrobe is the one that's inside Was is over there. But there you go, quick table. And what I like about these is the soft close mechanism. It's really cool, you know, and it also there's quite a lot of springy action from the mechanism there, which will keep them closed to a degree. We're going to put latches on the tabletops anyway, but that mechanism there, if I just ping that up, see, nice little soft close mechanism with a spring, or two springs in fact, and that works really, really well. The other thing I've done is cut the table so it extends beyond the lower bulkhead. The latch that I will use to actually keep the table closed, we can also turn so that the table won't accidentally slide in when we're actually having our meals. And then the only other thing I will need to do, or maybe need to do, is I might make something just to sit in between this gap to infill, because even if I'd had a nice piece of 90-degree metal, which I didn't have, I'd have still ended up with a fair gap here. As it is, I've used a piece of point in the wrong place. I've used a piece of oak. And the last thing is a dust cover, because this table is going to be underneath the mattress, you're going to get fluff and dust, probably. So built a dust cover for it as well. But the mechanism is really neat. It soft closes on the last sort of, there's a bit of resistance there, then in it goes. So not bad, £10 a pair, and it gives a very strong, they're rated at 40 kilograms. I don't think we'd be putting 40 kilograms on there, but it also provides a very good usable work area individually, or when Karen's doing meals, she's got a lot more space. There you go. Quick bit of waffle on what we decided to do for tables. Thanks for watching.